Mapagpalang araw po sa ating lahat. Ako nga po pala si Angela Jen Agner at welcome po sa aking Day 4 Daily Devotion ni Pastor Russell Om. Para po sa ating devotion ngayong araw ay ang series ay about intimacy with God. At ang topic po natin ngayong araw, July 31, 2024 ay Deep Connection to Jesus. Intimacy with God is deep connection to Jesus. Ito yung mga panahon na close tayo sa Kanya. All our problems is i-surrender natin sa Kanya. At yung mga decision natin sa Kanya and yung mga decision natin is tinatanong natin sa Kanya, magpapaguide tayo sa Kanya. Ganun na tayo ka-close sa ating Lord. At ang scripture po natin ngayon ay John 15 verse 1 to 10. I am the true vine, and my Father is the gardener. He cuts off each branch in me that bears no fruit, while every branch does bear fruit has grown so that it will be even more fruitful. You are already cleaning because of the word I have spoken to you. Remain in me as I also remain in you. No branch can bear fruit by itself. I must remain the same, neither can you bear fruits unless you remain in me. I am the vine, you are the branches. If you remain in me, and if you remain in you, you will bear much fruit. Apart from me, you can do nothing. If you do not remain in me, you are like a branch that is thrown away and wither. Such branches are picked up, thrown into the fire and burned. If you remain in me and my words remain in you, ask whatever you wish and it will be done for you. This is to my Father glories that you bear much fruit, showing yourself to be my disciples. As the Father, He loved me, so have I loved you. Now remain in my love. If you keep my commands, you will remain in my love, just as I have kept my Father's command and remain in His love. Teaching number 1. Jesus is the true vine and we are the branches. Ang ating Panginoon Jesucristo ay ang talagang pinakapuno natin. Wala tayong kwenta kung hindi tayo connected with Jesus. Teaching number 2. The branches must remain in the vine in order to bear fruits. If we are the vine and Jesus is the branches, need natin na mag-remain with that branches para magbunga tayo. Example nito is yung family natin, kung ano yung sanga, hindi yung bunga, like consistently siya. Kaya kung di tayo connected with God, di tayo magbubunga dahil if we are apart from Jesus, we can do nothing. Teaching number 3. The teachings of Christ is the sap that nourishes the branches is ordered to become fruitful. If we are the vine and Jesus is the branches, and the sap o yung dagta ng puno o yung nutritions is siya yung nagpapalusog sa atin. Example nito is yung mga salita ng Diyos na dapat ay talagang inuunawa natin o pinapasabuhay natin para sa sarili din natin. Dahil ito yung magiging nourishment, nagpapabusog sa atin at nagpapabuhay sa atin. Application number 1. Remain in the vine, not just attached to the vine. Kailangan nating manatili sa ating Panginoong Jesucristo, hindi lang naka-attach by name, hindi lang sa mga mata ng mga tao. Dapat pinapamuhay talaga natin. Sabi nga, remain in the vine, vine is Jesus. Application number 2. Remain in the love of Christ, not just now, the love of Christ. Ito yung pagmamahal ni Jesus sa atin, kung gaano kalawak, kadami yung pagmamahal niya din sa Ama niya. Ganon din tayo minamahal ng ating Panginoon. Busog na busog tayo sa kanyang pagmamahal. Application number 3. Remain in the teachings of Christ, not just appreciate the teachings of Christ. Bago mo maramdaman yung pagmamahal ng ating Panginoong Jesucristo, kailangan mo tong ma-experience, remain to His teaching, His commands. Doon natin lalong mararamdaman yung pagmamahal ng ating Panginoon. discussion. Why does intimacy with Christ result in bearing fruit? Intimacy with God results in bearing fruit because may deep connection tayo with God. Close na close tayo sa Kanya. Lahat ng mga naisip natin, sinesurrender natin sa Kanya. Pinipray natin sa Kanya. Kaya binibigyan niya tayo ng mga sagot o binibigyan niya tayo ng mga bunga. Yan po yung result na prutas sa buhay natin. Kaya ako, nagpapasalamat talaga ako sa lahat ng blessings na binigay sa akin ni God. Super thankful and blessing and blessed. Yun lang po. Thank you sa panonood. God bless.